I'm Tyler Posey here with another edition of Posey's Poll. I asked some of the castmates what they think has been the most romantic scene in Teen Wolf history, and here's what they answered.
I guess one of the most romantic Teen Wolf moments for Kira was when she got to have pizza/sushi with Scott. That was cute.
The one between Lydia and Styles when they're in the locker room and they are right about to kiss. It's all about the sexual tension. Like when you can feel it in the air, that's like the romance.
The Styles Lydia kiss. You know, and I'm a sucker like anybody else because I watch it and I'm like, aw.
Young Derek, the flashback to him and his girlfriend Paige, I believe. I was bawling by the end of the scene, and it was so sweet. I just thought it was so romantic.
I'd have to say Scott and Allison's first kiss. I feel like that was just a really sweet moment that you can't really forget about it. You never really forget like a first love and a first kiss with them.
Ethan and Danny, they were in a motel. Yes, their love scene, I thought was sweet.
My favorite romantic Teen Wolf moment will always be in the first ever episode, the Animal Clinic scene where Scott and Allison first connect. That's just like one of the all-time best Teen Wolf scenes.
Honestly, I think one of my favorite romantic segments from Teen Wolf is right when Allison sees Scott turn into a werewolf for the first time. He gets pinned by these cars by a hunter and Allison's dad, and he lands in the cars and he's a werewolf.
She has been told that she's a hunter, that all werewolves are evil, and her touch transforms him back, and her kiss transforms him back. And he asks her, why did you do that? And she says, finally, because I love you.
First time that you sort of see that she accepts him for what he is, I think is beautiful on so many levels.
I think the most romantic Teen Wolf moment is, personally, when Kate is licking Derek's abs. I thought that was so sweet.